Hi friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In this video we are going to see 10th standard science unit 13 structural organization of animals part 1 short answer questions and long answer questions. Okay, இந்த வீடியோவை again and again போட்டு பாருங்க, answers உங்களுக்கு memorize ஆக examsல வந்து flow இருக்கும் ஈஸியா. Okay, why are the rings of cartilages found in trachea of rabbit? Answer is tracheal walls are supported by rings of cartilage which help in the free passage of air. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. List out the parasitic adaptations in leech. Blood is sucked by pharynx. Presence of anterior and posterior sucker for attachment. Presence of 3 jaws which causes a painlessly Y-shaped wound in the skin of the host. Saliva contains hirudin which prevents blood coagulation and maintain a continuous supply of blood. Paraphodia and setae are absent. Blood stored in the crop gives nourishment for several months. Long answer question. How is the circulatory system designed in leech to compensate the heart structure? In leech, circulation is brought about by hemosolic system. Hemocoelic system. There are no true blood vessels. Blood vessels are replaced by channels called hemocoelic channels or canals. It is filled with coelomic fluid which contains hemoglobin. There are 4 channels, 1 dorsal, 1 ventral and 2 lateral channels are fused together in 26th segment. The 2 contractile lateral channels serve as heart and have inner values. The fluid in the dorsal and 2 lateral channels moves from behind forwards. In ventral channels, it runs from anterior to posterior end of the body. Thus, the contractile lateral vessel acts as heart and pumping the fluid throughout the body. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. How does locomotion take place in leech? Answer. Locomotion takes place by 2 methods, looping or crawling movement, swimming movement, looping or crawling movement, swimming movement. Looping or crawling movement, it is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The 2 suckers serve for attachment during movement. Swimming movement, leeches swim actively and perform undulating movement in water. Explain the male reproductive system of rabbit with a labeled diagram. Male reproductive system of rabbit diagram is this. So in this is the right kidney, this is left kidney and this is vas deferens and this one is urinary bladder, this is epididymis, this is testis and this is scrotal sac, then this one is urethra and this is perineal gland, this is Cowper's gland and this one is prostate gland and this is ureter. So the overall diagram is this. Practice. Okay. Then the explanation is the male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes and the associated ducts. The testes produce sperms. Testes are located in a sac of skin called the scrotum hanging down from the abdomen. Each testis contains a numerous fine tubulus called seminiferous tubulus which led into coiled tubule called epididymis. The epididymis led into the sperm duct called vas deferens. Both the vas deferens joins in the urethra below the urinary bladder. The urethra runs backward and passes into the penis. The secretions of 3 accessory glands, namely prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland, are involved in reproduction. Then is higher order thinking, HOTS. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Higher order thinking skills. First one is Arjun is studying in 10th standard. He was down with fever and went to meet the doctor. As he went to the clinic, he saw a patient undergoing treatment for severe leech bite. Being curious, Arjun asked the doctor why leech bite was not felt as soon as it attaches to the skin. What would have been the reply given by the doctor? It makes a triradiate and Y-shaped incision in the skin of the host by the jaws protruded through the mouth. The explanation given by the doctor, leeches inject an anesthetic substance that prevents the host from feeling their bite. Shailesh has some pet animals at his home. He has few rabbits too. One day, while feeding them, he observed something different with their teeth. He asked his grandfather, "Why is it so?" What would have been the explanation of his grandfather? In rabbit, the dentition is called heterodont. There are 4 kinds of teeth in rabbit: the incisors I, canines C, premolars PM, and molars M. Since rabbits are herbivorous, canines are absent. Thus, the gap between the incisors and premolar is seen and is called diastema. It helps in mastication and chewing as rabbit is a herbivorous animal. Value-based question. Leeches do not have an elaborate secretion of digestive juices and enzymes. Why? The blood sucked by the leech is stored in the crop. It gives nourishment to the leech for several months. Due to this reason, leeches do not have an elaborate secretion of the digestive juices and enzymes. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. How is the digestive system of rabbit suited for herbivorous mode of feeding? The teeth are of heterodont type. As canines are absent, the gap between incisors and premolars are called diastema. It helps in mastication and chewing of food. Caecasium is thin-walled sac present in the junction of small intestine and large intestine. It contains a colony of special bacteria that helps in digestion of cellulose. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, லீலா கிட்ஸ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, எகைன் அண்ட் எகைன் போட்டு பாருங்க. ஆன்சர்ஸ் மெமரைஸ் ஆகும். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாமினேஷன். We can meet in the next video. Bye bye.